Moberly. Remove satellite dish. This is fake grass here. It's been really beautifully landscaped. Beautiful facade on the front of the house. We definitely need the PM opinion on location though. Front door looks great. The walls are a little yellow. I don't know why this light didn't turn on, but the paint condition is good. Those are the correct blinds. Carpet looks good. Okay. Blinds look new. Paint looks new as well. Laminate here. Need appliances, including a space saver microwave. The cabinets look okay. So we have pavers. Sorry, we have flagstone and fake grass. That's interesting. Use of space. Not a very private backyard. Not a ton of ways to use this space back here, but it does look nice. No light kit on this fan. There's recessed lighting, but I flipped all the switches and didn't come on. Looks good. You know, it's an older style where you put the TV inside the wall versus a flat screen resting on top. Raised panel doors. Has pedestal sink. Upgraded light fixture. Paint looks fine. Standard small toilet. PM opinion on whether we need a blind there. Great loft area. It's pretty dark in here. We have a towel bar. Need a shower rod. That's in the wall. Interesting. So we have some great blinds, and they put little paper fans up top. That was nice of them. Oh, there's no light to turn on in here, but carpet looks good, paint looks good. Decent sized room for an extra room. It's nice to have its own separate laundry room that you don't have to walk through. Plus it's upstairs. On a drip pan, tile, remove cables. Plantation shutters on these two windows. The right blinds, carpet looks good. Tile seems fine. Okay, there we go. There's some light. It's very dim light. Low maintenance shower. Large closet. Maybe replace that drain ring at the bottom, $65. Not a big deal. So they seem to have that same handle throughout. Okay.